Guys, what is going on? Bitcoin is pumping exactly as I told you yesterday. I told you Bitcoin is going to explode, and that is what we are seeing right now. So, and now of course we have to talk about, is this a legit move here from Bitcoin to the upside and will go higher? Or is that just another fake out and we will see lower prices here once again? And of course, as promised, we talk about altcoins today. So definitely stick around here. Make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make some noise for the YouTube algorithm. And let's directly get into Bitcoin. So first of all, I have to apologize a little bit. My day was absolutely insane today. That's why I did not do properly analyze here anything, so I do it on the fly with you guys together. And let me know in the comments if you actually like this more than if I had prepared something. So let's call this a little experiment today. So here on the 4-hourly chart, I will be honest, I have binged a little bit on the chart, but I have not really look deeply into it. So, but what we can clearly see here, we had here a falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart and on the 1-hourly chart that we broke out to right now, and the technical target is all the way up at $29,000. So if you would have, as I told you guys, taken my long position advice here, you would have been now already in a small profit of with 20x leverage around 14%, which would be not that bad on that trade. So, and when we are looking on the stochastic RSI, then we see we have a buy signal, so we should see continuation to the upside. And also the MACD wants to flip here bullish again, and we have here only a few red candles here, and that is also indicating that we are shifting now back to be really bullish, and that this here was basically just a fake out phase, because there's just too much buy volume right now for Bitcoin, and that's why we should see a continuation in direction of $30,000 and potentially even higher than that. So yeah, and just for people asking me where the target is here for the long position, it is at $30,282. So, and don't forget guys, when we get over 29, yeah, let's say 29,200, there we move our stop loss to our entry target, to our entry of 28,331. So that way we make sure that we have a risk-free trade, and you should also take some profits on the prior high here from yesterday. So take a little bit off the table, move the stop loss, and then let it ride to the upside. Then you have 100% already some profit off the table. So, and then when we go here to the daily chart, here we have now a bull flag, if you treat it like this here, more or less. So, and we are above the bull flag here right now. So here with that pole to the breakout point, so that will give us a breakout target of $32,560 approximately. And here, so now, no matter how I adjust this line here, even if I would extend it like this, like the bearish people would have drawn this. Okay, if I would draw it like this, it would still be bearish. So, but let's be honest here, that would have been maximum, in my opinion, how I would have drawn that to be bearish. And here you see the RSI is getting over that line. If we close daily today that way, then the bearish divergence is definitely invalidated as we are pushing here higher. So, but I, of course, now you see also why we should take profits at 29,200. More or less, because it is slightly above this big red resistance block that I am talking already for a couple of weeks about. So that's why we take some initial profits here off the table on the long position. So then when we move here to the 1-hourly chart, we saw here another fake out yesterday to the downside here. So, but we formed almost immediately, oh, what was this? Almost immediately a W pattern. Let me take here off the EMA ribbon for a second. So almost immediately a W pattern, and that has now also broken out to the upside. So, and if we are looking at the W pattern for a technical target on a 1 hourly chart, so I will give it, so I will just take it until here. So then you see also here 29, almost 100 is the technical target here to the upside. And yeah, that's just coinciding with everything else what we are seeing right now on the chart, right? So I expect here that we over the next couple hours or into tomorrow going to reach that target. So then here to the 1 hourly chart, yeah, so there I actually had the falling wedge drawn in. I just wanna show you quick here. Let's go to the VPVR. So we wanna find the next major area of resistance here to the upside. So, and you see, after we are breaking over 28, what is it, 28,800, there is here on the visible range not really anything until almost $38,000 to the upside. So there is also not a lot of resistance. So Bitcoin could snap here really quickly over the next coming weeks up to $36,000, $38,000. And that of course will also have a massive effect on the altcoins. So, and guys, I also want to point out here once again, if you want to trade with me together, do it on BYBIT. There you can copy my trades. So this is actually wrong. Only because I had yesterday a down day. This shows -9, but it should be not showing this. It should normally showing only closed profit positions, and I did not close anything yesterday. So this here makes no sense what you are seeing here from yesterday, because one position today closed in a profit, and the other one is right now in a profit on my copy trades. So I can actually show it to you. Orders. Here CRV, you see we are here $138 in profit. So you see here the overview, that makes no sense. I'm not in a loss, you know, so we are here in profit. So, and you should then of course subscribe to my copy trading if you want to follow my trades. And I have only limited spaces available. There are only 55 slots still available to follow me here before I'm full, and you can do that by signing up on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 for free only with that link here. And then when you're on BYBIT, you just go here under Tools, Copy Trading, and search for my name, AMCrypto. So with my picture here, and then you just click follow and subscribe. And then you can automatically follow my trades that I do absolutely for free for you guys. Don't forget this. I don't charge you anything on this. So these trades are absolutely for free if you follow me here on BYBIT with my copy trades. So now let's go quick here into CRV. CRV dipped yesterday into, or even today, back into my buy zone. And that was, so I had a little bit prematurely a trade already open, which is for me absolutely fine. So, but if you would have bought there, you would be now in a nice profit. And we still have the bigger targets here on the higher time frames. Sorry that this looks a little bit messy. Of $1.15, almost 16, and $1.26, and then higher targets of $1.45 and $1.60 more or less. So then Cardano is ripping here through today like crazy, as you can see. So also here from my buy level of 35 cents more or less, all the way up to 38.6. That was my buy range. So if you would have bought there, you would be now in a profit, as Cardano is running here to the upside. And here my target is around 58 cents, almost 59 cents, and there is a potential target of actually 71 cents to the upside. Then when we go to Link, also Link, amazing how it's moving right now, also exactly as expected. Here on the daily chart, also here it was back into my buy area the last not yesterday but before yesterday, it was the last time in there, and now we are finally breaking resistance and starting to move here higher. So the next target would be $8.15, $8.71, and then we have higher targets. Why they're not on here? I have higher targets of $11 and $12 in the immediate short term for Link. So then maybe really quick, let me see, where do I have Polkadot? So Polkadot, also here, amazing targets. We just came out of the buy zone, so I would not buy just, so if you're too late, don't buy now. Wait for the next break of $6.72. That's where I would buy next. If we close the daily candle above that, and then you can trade this all the way up to $7.57, $7.93, $9.70 and $10.47. So every time when we hit the take profit point, I'm gonna take 20% off the table and let the rest ride. That way I make sure that I definitely walk away with some profits here. And as we go, I of course going to update you. So I forgot to show you the Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, we got again rejected from 47.8%. So I still believe if Bitcoin goes over $30,000 that we're gonna smash through it and go over 48. But if that can stay as resistance and we start seeing now that we are rolling over, then the altcoin season is most likely happening at the same time. So we have to be a little bit more patient here to see what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance, because the rotation starts when Bitcoin is having a small correction and the money goes from Bitcoin into altcoins. That has not happened yet. I believe it's going to happen when Bitcoin is over 30,000 and gets at some point rejected in that price range of $30,000 to $35,000. So once we see that, then the altcoin rotation is starting, and then we have our amazing altcoin season. But that doesn't mean that we should not position ourselves now already. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.